What's the best settings for your ads on Twitch? Most of the time, many people ask these questions. For most of you who are new to Twitch, you want to make some money, right? And you have little viewers. For you not to chase away your viewers during your stream because of ads, I'm just going to explain to you and show you what you need to do. So the best settings, according to Twitch, it says recommended is leaving it on 3 minutes, which is true. If you reduce it completely here, you just watch what's going to happen right here. You'll be having like 55% ad revenue share. But once you take it down, you'll be having like 30% ad revenue share, and the ad length might be 0.5 minutes, ad break for every 60 minutes. Now, every 60 minutes, I feel like it's a little bit too long, like 1 hour. How long is your stream? How many people are going to watch you to the end? That's a question, that first. Now, why is it recommended to be here? Every 3 minutes, you will have an ad running for 1.5 minutes and for every 30 seconds, and your ad revenue is going to be higher, like 55% up. Now, you're not going to have pre-roll ads. That is when people just log into your stream and they see ads. Trust me, they will not wait to watch it. They will skip it or go to the next person to watch their stream, and maybe they might never come to your stream anymore. They feel like you're just looking for money. You're not there for the passion, right? Now, let's go further. You be best to leave it on automatic. Your ad length should be on automatic. Then we'll come down a little bit to this section here. We're going to come to this advanced settings, but first let's look at here. Make sure your ads are all set to be disabled pre-roll when you run your ads. And pre-roll ads notification is very necessary to notify people that your ads are coming up next. Stream display ads, it's good to leave it on. Now you come into this section right here. This place, first ad delay 3 minutes. You see, the reason why you have this time of this ad showing and all that, why it's advisable is you take a break, especially people that go for a long stream, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours streaming non-stop. You need this ad for you to take a break, go do some certain things, fetch water, stretch your legs, clear your eyes and things like that. Anyway, now going further, ad viewing, switch it on. Auto snooze ad, please leave this on. Now on this place, upcoming ad break, 5 minutes before your ad starts, a proper notification letting you know that your ads are coming in the next 5 minutes. You prepare yourself on what you want to do. If you're not ready for this ad, you can easily snooze it. Then it comes after when you're ready. I hope this whole explanation helps you guys. It makes a lot of sense for you guys not to destroy your viewers or people watching your stream. This is the best settings I would advise you guys to keep for your ads. And if you are not seeing this monetization option yet, probably you've not reached the benchmark. And if you're seeing it, congratulations. My name is IMF on Twitch. Please go ahead and follow me. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.